I'm speedrunning how you can get to 20 grand a month as fast as humanly possible. I've gone in there, I've helped dozens of clients get there, and I'm going to show you exactly what to do in this video with no BS and no fluff. I'm going to try to do it in under 5 minutes because I have a call with a client, and let's go ahead and dive into it. The first thing we have to go over is the offer and the actual marketing itself. Well, it's very simple. All we're going to do is have a high ticket offer, and we're going to combine it with a YouTube channel. This is going to be the majority of the client acquisition here. Extremely simple, because if you want to get there as fast as humanly possible, you have to understand that you only need to charge $5K, and you have to get 4 people to pay you that in order to get to 20 grand a month. Now, you're probably thinking, yeah, Christian, easier said than done, right? We're going to get there. Number one is your high ticket offer. What you need to understand about your high ticket offer is that you have to develop some sort of skill set that you could sell in a solo consulting model. That's the same model my clients and I run, and that's the type of business that I run. A solo consulting model is extremely high profit. It's easy to fulfill on. It's an offer that's easy to say yes to, especially if you have a make more money offer. If you help people make more money, either a biz op type of offer where you have a new business that you could sell people and how you do it. Maybe you have an agency offer, services, B2B stuff. It doesn't matter. You want a high ticket offer. You don't want to be charging $200 a month for Facebook ads or $97 a month for a school community. High ticket offer, I like a 5K price point if you could justify a 10x return on investment for the dream client that does all of the work. If you charge 5K, can they make 50K? That's the simplest way to create a high ticket offer. We just need 4 of them. And all we need to do in order to get there is create a YouTube channel. That's the number one platform, the number one thing that I do, because a YouTube channel can serve both as a top of funnel play to attract clients to you inbound and view you as an expert. And it's also the best salesman you could possibly have, is somebody getting sold on their own without even knowing that they're being sold to by doing super ninja psychological tricks. And what are these tricks? Well, on the YouTube channel, in the actual marketing message, you basically want to be doing something called old versus new marketing. Old versus new. It is a marketing tactic that's been used forever. And basically what it looks like is you are saying, hey, this is the old way of doing X, Y, and Z. If you're helping real estate agents grow their business, the old way to grow your business is to rely on Zillow leads and open houses and cold calling. The new way is with this new content strategy that I developed, and then that's what you actually want to sell people on, because the old way no longer works. It's things that they've tried or have done in the past. And this is the new thing that they're going to be sold onto. The next part about it is we're going to create at least 2 YouTube videos a week providing value. And what is value? Value is solving actual problems. I'm spelling super quickly here because I'm trying to get this out as fast as possible. But value is solving problems. So make content that genuinely shows that you're an expert in your specific skill set, and you will attract clients. And as a matter of fact, if you get 500 views on a video, on the right style of video, you can attract 1 high ticket client. And so all we need to do is like say, hey, if we want to get 4 clients at 5K, we need to get 4 clients here. In order to do that, we have to times this by 4. We need to get 2,000 views. So if we get 500 views on a video and we get 2 videos that week to get 500 views, over 2 weeks, you should sign 4 clients. Now, of course, I can go into the KPIs. You should expect about a 50% closing rate from inbound leads that come from YouTube. And so the math is simple. The sales funnel is actually very simple itself. You're posting YouTube videos, providing value and solving problems. You're creating 1 YouTube video that I treat as my VSL. This is the video that's going to show people the old way versus the new way and how you can help them get to where they want to get to faster. This is exactly what you're going to do. Create this VSL. Put a calendar link, allow people to book a call with you. You're going to pitch them on your 5K offer, where you're going to be a consultant to them. You're going to hop on calls with them every single week to implement the actual system, strategy, and new tactic that you have. The math is simple, and this is what the highest people making like the most amount of money are doing on a way larger scale. This is something I directly help my clients with. Building a micro YouTube channel with a couple thousand subscribers is what most of my guys are at, that attracts clients to them, and they're able to do 20 to 30 grand a month in profit, running a fun business. It's fulfilling and helps their clients out a lot. This is the speed run version of getting to 20 grand a month. I hope you enjoy this. I have a call I got to jump onto, so I'll see you real soon. Peace out.